Okay, for the feature for reading temperature, the specification calls out for what the accuracy and the temperature is. The temperature probe that comes with it looks to be the TP01A from the description. It doesn't really give a clear indication exactly which one it is supplied, but the TP01A, let me get this focused, does match the spec sheet on what's published with the meter. So I've pulled the meter leads out. So the same thing, just going to match up the red and the black. And it's going to be a short test because according to the specification of the temperature probes themselves, I'll push those in, that it's only suitable for measuring the air temperature. So that's okay if you can check air temperature outside, or maybe in the freezer, or whatever, maybe in the grill. So just for the outside temperature, I'm going to turn the meter on now that we've got the probe. It's 22.3 centigrade, and let's change the selection to F. 72.6, which is something to brag about because it is March 6th when I'm doing this experiment, and we should have snow or it'd be really cold. But today is a rare day. It got warm and the plants and the bugs are enjoying it. Okay, so just for fun, we're going to check the temperature in the freezer. Now, you notice as I walked in the house, I'm in the basement, and instead of being 70 some degrees outside, it's now 63 degrees inside, because it is still early spring, late winter, and so the doors haven't been open, so the basement still is kind of cold. So what I'm going to do is open the freezer, throw in the probe, and shut the freezer. And we can see the temperature dropping pretty quick. Okay, so that's probably getting close to being right. Let's do what it is, degrees C. It's minus 10 or so Fahrenheit. So welcome to my freezer. It's set at 14 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 10 centigrade.